Everybody, it's Pam at the Paper Outpost, and it's celebration time. Today is the 15th, the birds are chattering, and it is time to pick the 50,000 subscriber giveaway contest winner. So I have put the name of the video here, the link for the video. Okay, get YouTube comments. Okay, here we go. We're going to filter out duplicates and filter comments based on a specific text, add extra entry. Okay, no, there's no blacklist people. Okay, here we go. Get YouTube comments. Woo! Okay, not sure what's happening. It's finding the comments. 700, 800 comments, 900, 1100, 1200. Oh, okay, we got 1246 comments. All right. Now where's the button? Okay. Oh, here we go. Start raffle and pick random winner. All right, here we go. Ready? Da 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 da. And we're off. Oh, there go the names. Pew, 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 pew. Will it be you? Will it be you? Mystic Images Art. There we go. I started paper crafting when I was in art school, and I was introduced to it when I was learning to teach art to school and get my degrees in art education. That fueled me to experiment with lots of different ideas over the years. I've seen so much changes in the past 26 plus years. That is awesome. So let me go ahead and I'm going to post this video and also post the winner. So congratulations to Mystic Images Art. Congratulations. Your prize will be on its way as soon as you contact me. And you can contact me either through Etsy or you can email me at pamela@thepaperoutpost.com. And I believe you have until, I can't remember. Hang on. What on earth did I say? Let me see. Subscribe. Yep. Okay. Answer the question. Yep. Okay. Nope. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah. I can't remember. I think it was, there. The drawing. Okay. No, yeah. The drawing is 9/15. Yes, we have that. Yeah, we know that. I thought it was November 15th that you have to claim it. I'll have to watch my video again. But anyway, congratulations, Mystic Artist. No, hang on, back over there. Mystic Images Art. Way to go. Yes, that's my thumb. Way to go. Congratulations. All right, so I will post this there, add this information and the video so everybody can see. Congratulations, and we carry on from here. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are awesome. You guys are the fire in my belly. So thank you so much. Keep having fun. Keep creating with reckless abandon. And remember that fun can be simple. I'll see you later. Bye.